Tired of missing crucial customer issues buried in the Twitterverse and struggling to keep your Zendesk support queue organized? Today, we're unlocking the power of automation by connecting Twitter and Zendesk using Zapier, making sure no tweet goes unseen and every concern gets addressed. First, head over to Zapier.com and either log into your existing account or sign up for a free one. Zapier is the magic glue that will connect our two platforms. Once you're in, click that Create Zap button now. Let's choose Twitter as our trigger app. This is what will kick off our automated workflow. We want to create tickets when someone mentions us, so select New Mention as the trigger. Next, you'll need to connect your Twitter account to Zapier. Just follow the prompts to authorize the connection. Alright, Twitter is all set. Now, let's tell Zapier what to do with those mentions. Search for Zendesk as your action app. Choose Create Ticket as the action. This will automatically create a new ticket in Zendesk every time your Twitter handle is mentioned. Just like before, you'll need to connect your Zendesk account and grant Zapier access. Now comes the fun part. We get to customize our Zendesk ticket here. You can map data from the triggering tweet to different fields in your Zendesk ticket, such as subject, description, and priority. Include the tweet text, the user's Twitter handle, and even a link to the original tweet, so your support agents have all the context they need. Almost there. Now, let's test our Zap to make sure everything is working correctly. If the test is successful, hit that Turn on Zap button. And voila! You've just automated your Twitter to Zendesk workflow. Now, you can resolve customer issues quickly, provide better support, and ultimately improve customer engagement.